News at 11.
We've been on a roller coaster, and I'm just ready to get off that ride.
Effective immediately, Governor Gavin Newsom ordering all bars to shut down in 7 California counties, including Fresno, Tulare, and Kings. Good evening, I'm Kirsten Mitchell. News hit when some people were still at bars enjoying what was now their last drink in a while. Newsom tweeting out the news around noon, saying due to the rising spread of COVID-19, California is ordering bars to close in Fresno, Imperial, Kern, Kings, Los Angeles, San Joaquin, and Tulare counties. He named 8 other counties where it is a recommendation. CBS 47's Angelica Leilani is live in Old Town Clovis. Angelica, how are people reacting to this news?
Well, Kirsten, it's actually pretty quiet out here in Old Town Clovis. The bars are now closed, but the state's order does allow for breweries and bars to remain open if they sell food. Some we spoke with say they are working with food vendors so that they can remain open. Others we spoke with say that the restrictions have become too much. After only 2 weeks of being open, many bars and breweries are now being forced to shut down again.
We've been on a roller coaster, and I'm just ready to get off that ride.
Because of the recent uptick in positive COVID-19 cases across the state, Governor Gavin Newsom announced mandatory closure of bars, breweries, and pubs that do not serve food in several counties, including Kings, Tulare, and Fresno.
For most of myself and my fellow restaurant owners in town, well, the writing was on the wall. We anticipated this shutdown or restrictive measures on what we have right now currently.
Louis Everick, owner of Vixen and Lux in North Fresno, says even though his establishments serve food, he's taking extra precaution and closing down until further notice.
It's just created too much of a strain on our business and our mental health to continue to be open during this time.
In downtown Fresno, Tioga Sequoia Brewing Company's beer garden was open Sunday until the governor's tweet.
We reacted pretty quickly. We shut down, started promoting our online sales again and to-go sales.
The owner, Michael Cruz, says they're now working to contract with a food vendor so they can remain open under the state's order.
The way we can move forward and not have us regress again is for people to follow protocol, and not just the restaurants and bars, but the patrons that are attending them.
In Tulare County, the health department says within the last week they've had more than 600 new cases.
Most concerning to us in Tulare County, we are now reporting the highest number of hospitalizations in the county that we've ever reported throughout the entire pandemic.
County officials say most cases are now community spread, so closure of social establishments are
to take action through the Alcohol Beverage and Control Board through enforcement of this action.
Now regarding the governor's order, it reads in part, "We understand this action is clearly meant to show the seriousness of the COVID-19 pandemic and the need for each and every one of us to take every precaution to reduce the spread of coronavirus in our community." And for more information, just visit our website, yourcentralvalley.com. Reporting live in Fresno County tonight, I'm Angelica Leilani, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.